Okay, you're welcome back. Almost towards the end of row 2. So we have two stitches remaining. 1, 2. So and this is the last one. Don't be deceived by this that looks like a stitch. It is not a stitch. You're not supposed to work inside it. So just follow me as I go. So if you look at this end of row 2, you will see that you have 12 2 double crochet in each stitch. So you're going to have a total of 24 double crochet in this row 2. So we're going to slip stitch here. Like I said, these are chain 2. This is the loop or chain on top of our first double crochet. You insert your hook inside, yarn over, and you pull through the 2. So you can see this is how to do it. You can see it. So now we're going to start our row 3 by chaining 2. Chain 2. Below chain 2 again, we're going to insert our hook and we do a double crochet. But this time around, we're not going to do double crochet in each. So we're going to do, the next one will be double crochet in the next chain. Then the next chain is going to be 2 double crochet. 2 double crochet. Then in the next one is going to be 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Then 2 double crochet in the other stitch. Then 1 double crochet. So you go on and on and on like that. 2 1 2 1 2 1. Then you can be sure that the next one is going to be 2 stitches. So I'll meet you at the end of this row 3. Thank you.